Hello friends, I am back again. Today I am going to talk to you about the power trading with the stocks and also review one stock actually which we had talked about say 15 days, 12 or 15 days back. So we'll just see about 4 or 5 stocks here. Friends, I call it a power trading with the charts because these kind of analysis that gives you the immense power to your trading understanding or trading techniques, and in the end you end up with or a trader ends up with lot of powerful money, I call it. So let's see how the power trading today is like. So here the chart is actually of ICICI Bank and I have put it on charting.com. This you can see the charting.com here. Okay, so let us today understand what is happening with this chart. Now friends, when I just put up the chart, this chart I have put up the closing price of this chart, and this chart is for last 6 months time. Lot of ups. This stock actually has gone up through lot of ups and downs, and just let us understand that what is the condition of the chart now. Here this mouth is going to be closed now and the share price is likely to go up if nothing goes wrong, number one. Second thing is that this MACD had given the buying signal somewhere around 290 only. You can see the cross here, somewhere around 290, 200 or say 300 it had given, and RSI has sufficient another say about say 14 points to go up to 70. But the stock can still go up even if the RSI is 70 and above. So this ISI is ICICI Bank, friends, is in a very wonderful position today. Although I cannot say what will happen tomorrow, but in all likelihood this is actually going up. And the first resistance that it will face, will be somewhere around say 353, maybe tomorrow itself. Today it has ended at 347. After that the resistance could be around 380, and finally around say 390 will be the resistance. So what I am trying to say, friends, that this chart actually is beautifully placed, and as far as the volume is concerned of this, the volume actually has not picked up for the last 2 days time. It is still the same. I hope so tomorrow the chart picks up, and let us hope for the best that this chart, the price from 353 will eventually go up to 390. That is our VIP analysis on a volume indicator and price analysis. So friends, we hope for the best, but one thing there is a little as far as ICICI Bank is concerned, every 3-4 months time some dead cat or some bad loans NPAs occur. So you need to be very careful about this. The moment you find any day some bad news is coming, just sell the stock and come out. Friends, the next actually bank is actually the Axis Bank here. You can see this is the Axis Bank, and in Axis Bank let us do some volume indicator and price, that means VIP analysis here. If you really see, friends, here the chart had given the breakout here, the cross is say somewhere around 380. Fine. Now you see, as far as this mouth is actually open, still the cross has to take place, but the price has sufficiently jumped up, and the next target I find to be 413 followed by 416. Okay, now as far as the indicators are concerned, friends, let us see these indicators. As far as this MACD is concerned, MACD is has about, say, if this is 55, another 15 points to go here, and this is also just it has not opened up so far. So I think the stock at the maximum it can touch up to about 440, 445, maybe 450, but you should not think more than this at present, looking at the opening, the mouth opening of the MACD. So this is also one of the banks where every 3-4 months time some bad loans or NPAs they occur, and the stock is somehow it's not a 5-star bank anymore. Now it's a street bank like. So what I say is be very careful about it. And the next bank that we go here is Kotak Bank. I think today in the today's market this Kotak Bank is a really 5-star bank. And let us see actually what has happened to this. Let us do some VIP analysis for this. So first we see the volume of this today. The volume has very substantially gone up. It is just for one reason the volume actually has gone up, is that the promoter has diluted his stake today only, and as a result of this the price has actually gone up. But market actually knew very well that the price will move up once the issue is solved. And here also for the last 3 days time, you can see the price actually is going up for the last 3 days time. Here this RSI does not give you much opportunity. Maybe it will touch 1400, and after that it remains to be seen whether it will go to 1400 and say 60 or 60 odd or so, because the RSI is already here 63. But nevertheless friends, it can always happen that even if the RSI is 3 and there is strength in the bank, so what will happen is it can go up to 1450 and above, but that needs to be seen. Now friends, as far as this MACD indicator is concerned, friends, let us check with this MACD indicator. The mouth is very wide open, there is no issue on this, and I call it a 5-star bank because as far as the NPA issues or any other issues are concerned, there are never issues with this bank. So it has shown, and I think that it will conveniently cross 1400 and all these the resistance it will cross. That is what it says today. Okay, and another 5-star bank is your HDFC Bank. Friends, if you see this HDFC Bank, we do once again the VIP analysis for this. And here the RSI says that yes, it can go up. If you see here, the mouth is there is already a cross here, so it is going up. And at say roughly about here, roughly about maybe 875, it had given a buy signal because the cross actually is here. So we just see the cross. Just let me mark it. Nevertheless, the hexagram, that is the green bar, plus the mouth is very wide open. So I think tomorrow, the first thing that will happen is that this stock is likely to go. I think it does not have much hurdle before 1100. But still friends, the problem here is that between 1000 and 1100 there are a lot of too many it's a long gap. So let's see what happens, but I think gradually in 3-4 days time, if the market goes up the way it is going on, this 5-star bank actually is likely to go 1100 and 1250 and all-time high of 1300. There is no two opinion about it. If you were to ask me today, I really like two banks which have no problems at all in the past and even at present, that is Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank. Fine friends. So this is about and they are going to give you a lot of there's a lot of opportunities here. 1, 2, 3. I don't say the opportunities are not here. Opportunities are here also. Opportunities are in ICI also, Axis also. But they are clean banks. These banks are very clean. As a result of this, if you remain in this bank, something happens, then also this bank is likely to go up. Then the friends, we had talked about the Asian Paints. I think around 10 days back we had discussed, or maybe 15 days back we had discussed, and at that point of time I said this stock must be purchased around 1557. Why? Because this has this RSI had given a buy signal, and at the same time here also it gave a buy signal, and that was around 1550 or maybe 1560. Today from there the stock has moved actually up to 1707. Actually today it went up to 1723 or 25. So the next halt is here, that is at 1725, then is at 75, then is at 1800 something. And friends, point is, I think you can go along till this is our stop loss. I call the cross as a stop loss. If till the cross occurs, you can just go blindly buy and go along with it. I hope so that this kind of movement of the price in indeed excellent stocks keeps your money very safe. It gives power to your understanding, it gives power to your pocket also. So friends, I will say that be with the good 5-star banks preferably HDFC and this Kotak Bank. See, if you have, say, let us presume that you have got, say, 10,000 rupees you want to invest. If Kotak Bank you invest 10,000 rupees, if you have, you can buy conveniently 30 shares of ICICI Bank. But same 10,000 rupees, if you invest here, maybe you will get 8, but your income is guaranteed. Same thing is if you have 10,000 rupees here, you may get 10 or 12 stocks, but your income is guaranteed. So that is what I say is that one must be in the 5-star stocks to have the powerful earning every time. And in that case, I will say even this Asian Paint also was no less stocks. This is the best stocks in the paint market. Okay, so friends, I will request you that please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button. I must tell you, that many people are telling me they are not getting the notification. The point is that they have not pressed the bell button. So subscribe my channel. At the same time, press the bell button and please join me on Facebook also. Friends, I request you to please analyze yourself these stocks as I have done so. You can take a couple of stocks, you can analyze yourself and just power your trading skills. Friends, thank you very much and have a nice day.